Hari, pattern balagan. Vegetables have been cultivated in one third of a land, while paddy has been cultivated in three-fourths of the remaining land. Rest of the land is an empty land. Details ටික පැත්තකින් ලියාගමුද? Vegetables have been cultivated one third is vegetables. One third is vegetables. And three-fourths of the remaining is paddy. Three-fourths of remaining, that is paddy. Rest of the land is an empty land. Problem number one, what fraction of the land which paddy has been cultivated? Puthe, paddy has been cultivated, three-fourths of the remaining. First of all, we have to calculate the remaining portion. Remain is 1 minus 1/3 which, that means remain is 2/3. Then paddy is 3/4 of the remain. 3/4 of remain. Remain is 2/3. Of mean multiplication, if you multiplied it, 3 and 3 will get cut, 2 and 4, that means half. From the total land, half portion is for the paddy. Then find the fraction of land which is empty. Which is empty. After the vegetable, 2/3 is remain, another half has been cultivated. Then 2/3 minus half. Kalu panning අපි ගමු. Denominator should be equal. 3 multiplied by 2, here multiplied by 2, this one is multiplied by 3. 4 minus 3, that's become 1. 1 out of 6. පුළුවන්නේ subtract කරලා 1 out of 6. If the owner of the land decided to cultivate vegetables in the half of the empty land, again he is decided to cultivate vegetables. What is the new fraction of the land which vegetables have been cultivated? දැන් අලුත් fraction එක ගන්න. අලුතෙන් වවපු කැලේ පරණ කැලේ දෙකෙම total එක ගන්න. Earlier vegetable was 1/3. Earlier vegetable was 1/3, and from the remaining another half has been cultivated. Now we have to add them together. Earlier 1/3 portion, now from the remaining another half has been cultivated. 1/3 plus this one become 1 out of 12. Now to make equal denominators, this should be multiplied by 4. 4 plus 1, that's become 5. 5 out of 12. Now total fraction is 5 out of 12. Total fraction is 5 out of 12. If the area of the nearly cultivated, nearly cultivated land is 60 purchase. Nearly cultivated amount is 1 out of 12. Because half portion from the 1/6, that means this is the nearly cultivated portion. That one is similar to 60 purchase. Find the area of the whole land. Find the area of the whole land. And total become 60 times 12. Because one portion is 60. Total land is 12 times of that one, 720 purchase. Next, problem number 5. The owner bought another land of 160 purchase, adjoined the remaining land and cultivated fruits in both lands. Find the ratio between areas of the land cultivated vegetables and fruits in the simplest form. දැන් මෙයා මොකද ගන්න පුතේ? Another 160 purchase and 160 purchase, no? Purchase and cultivated fruit. Remaining land is how much? 60 purchase, because 1/6 were remain. Previously 1/6 were remain. From that one, half has been taken for the again cultivate veg. Then another half is remain. Finally another half is remain. Now this one is again cultivated fruits. This is also 112 portion. 112 portion is equal to 60 purchase. That means fruits are 60 purchase plus another newly by 160 purchase. That means total become how much? 220 purchase. Totally fruits have been cultivated in 220. Hari? Then what about vegetables? Total vegetable portion is 5 out of 12. 112 portion is equal to 60 purchase. Then vegetables become 60 times 5, because one portion is 60. Vegetable has been cultivated in 5 out of 12, 5 portions. That means 300 purchase. Then they're asking about ratio 300 to 300 is to 220. මුලින් vegetables ලියන්න ඕනේ. Vegetables to fruits. 0 to 0 cut කරා නම් පුතේ 30 is to 22. Divide by 2. 15 is to 11. හරිනේ සනුල. ඕක ගැන කතා වෙවි හිටි. 15 is to 11. 15 is to 11.